This 2018 Coachmen Chaparral 370FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 41 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 6, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, slide-out, DVD player, smoke detector, oven, external shower, awning, skylight, refrigerator, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Coachmen Chaparral 370FL is 11,863 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.